Introducing the 2025 Audi A8 E-Tron, a groundbreaking masterpiece that takes luxury electric sedans to a whole new level. With its sleek, aerodynamic design and cutting-edge technology, the A8 E-Tron is a vision of the future. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric drivetrain, this remarkable vehicle offers an emission-free driving experience without compromising on power or performance. Equipped with an advanced battery system, the A8 E-Tron delivers an impressive range, allowing you to embark on long journeys with ease. Take control with Audi's revolutionary virtual cockpit, providing a seamless connection between you and your car. The exquisite interior showcases the finest craftsmanship, with luxurious materials and intuitive controls, creating a truly immersive driving experience. Stay connected wherever you go, thanks to Audi's innovative connectivity features. Seamlessly integrate your smartphone, access your favorite apps, and stay informed with the latest updates from the world around you. Immerse yourself in an oasis of comfort with the A8 E-Tron state-of-the-art adaptive suspension system. Experience the ultimate in relaxation as the vehicle effortlessly glides over any terrain. Safety is paramount, and the A8 E-Tron is equipped with Audi's most advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring your peace of mind on every journey. Embrace the future of luxury electric sedans with the 2025 Audi A8 E-Tron. Experience power, performance, and sustainability, all in one breathtaking package. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of electric luxury sedans. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and innovations from Audi.